Welcome to everyone. I am Divagar, a pre-final year student from KGS Institute of Technology. Today I am going to talk about topic of OpenCV. In this session I will cover OpenCV basics. First of all, what is computer vision? Computer vision is field of machine learning whose goal is the help computer sees. It is end goal is to make intelligent systems which can understand digital images. So there are more types of computer vision. They are image segmentation, object detection, facial recognition, edge detection, pattern detection, image classification, and feature matching. First one is image segmentation. What is image segmentation? Image segmentation is the process of assigning a label to every pixel in an image, such that a pixel with the same label share certain characteristics. Second one is object detection. It is nothing but it is a computer vision task that aims to locate object in the digital images. As such, it is an instance of artificial intelligence that consists of training computers to see as human do. Then next one is face recognition. Face recognition is a technique to identify or verify the face from the digital images or video frames. A human can quickly identify the faces without much effort. It is an effortless task for us, but is difficult task for a computer. There are various complexities such as low resolution, occlusion, illumination, variation, and etc. This factor highly affect the accuracy of the computer to recognize the face more effectively. First, it is necessary to understand the difference between face detection and face recognition. The next concept is edge detection. Edge detection is used to detect the locations and presence of edges by making changes in the intensity of an images. Different operations are used in image processing to detect edges. It can detect the variation of gray levels, but it quickly gives response when noise is detected. In image processing, edge detection is very important task. Edge detection is the main tool in pattern recognition, image segmentation, and scene analysis. It is a type of filter which is applied to extract the edges points in an images. Sudden changes in an images occurs when the edges of an image cancel across the brightness of the images. Then next topic is image classification. Image classification is a task in computer vision where the goal is to categorize an image into one or more predefined classes or categories. It is a fundamental problem in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning with numerous practical applications. The process typically involves training a machine learning models after a convolutional neural network on a dataset of labeled images. During training, the model learns to identify patterns and features in the images that are characteristics of each class. These patterns might include shapes, textures, colors, or the visual elements. Once the model is trained, it can be used to predict the classes of new and seen images by analyzing their features and comparing them to the patterns learned during training. This prediction process is often referred to as inference. Next, I am going to the core topic of OpenCV. OpenCV is the huge open source library for the computer vision, machine learning, and image processing. It can be used to process image and videos to identify object faces or even handwriting of a human. The next step is installing OpenCV. OpenCV can be installed in Windows, Mac OS, or any GNU and Linux distribution by using a pip command. This first command is to install the main module package. The second command is used for the full packages. So this is installing file, OpenCV function, execution and downloading packages. and given basic program to load it in, we can use the OpenCV function imshow. Imshow stands for image show. Then import CV2 is a library function. CV computer vision 2 is a version number. The final topic of session is application of OpenCV. This is major applications. They are face recognitions, automated inspection and surveillance, number of people count, vehicle counting on highway along with their speeds, interactive ART installations, then object detections, medical image analysis, TV channels, advertisements and recognitions, STP image stitchings, video image search and retrievals, robot and driverless car, navigation and control. Please scan this QR code for reference video. Thank you.